Now I try to build some attachment points. It should be one at the top here. They have cut it off and I have to build a new one. But I want something in this area. This clip, try to get that one fitted in this square hole here. I will put the clips on the car and just put some hot glue on the light. When I put everything together on the car, the clip will glue together with the light on the right position. Not sure this is the best way to do it. I had to rethink everything and did it another way. I took everything off and hot glued another clip there so I could screw a screw from the inside and out. Now I have an attachment point on this underside here. Of course it shouldn't be hot glued here. We will take some fiberglass and put it there. It just because I want to know where the position is. I just took these two ice scrapers and bend them 90 degrees. I'm gonna use them as a mold. Gonna put fiberglass in them and then crack them loose. Then I have 90 degrees fiberglass angles I can attach to the light here. So let's do them. Let's see what we have done so far. I have put some fiberglass around this mounting point that we first hot glued together. I removed as much hot glue that I could and put this fiberglass around it. Have to clean up here now. And in the other end I taped one of these ice scrapers and put fiberglass over it to get a bigger patch here. The mounting point was just in the corner, so I think we have to drill a hole somewhere here and then cut away the thing we don't need. And this ice scraper I hope we can just peel off like that. Then we have a really strong mounting point there. Look like this on the back side and the front. And then we have to attach something in the upper here. And I folded over two other ice scrapers and put some fiberglass in them. And I hope we can remove these ones too. Let's see what's the best method to this. This is only 2 layers of 300 grams, so maybe it's a little weak, but I will reinforce them once they are on the light, because we will attach them and lay fiberglass to get it on this piece. So I just want the shape of it. But we have to get under here without peeling some fingers. I think I will use something like this so I don't hurt myself. And there we have one of them. Just the other left. Yes. And there we have the second one. Let's see. This one will go in like that. Maybe we can get it on the underside. Don't think I need as much. This corner, I think I can cut away. Don't need that one. Only need everything you see here. The thing behind that we can't see, we don't need. Is it nicer to get it further out? Maybe. Is that nicer? I have it a bit showing. Now I try to compare these two sides and get the same look at the both sides. I have seen this one is extended out more than the other one. And I can see they have extended the end here. So I need to cut back the end. I've done some marking here. So we'll remove this one now and cut off a bit so I can get it further back. Everything I marked here we will cut away and then try it again. Let's see how this looks now. So we just have to remove this thing I just attached there. Like that. We got it. 2.8, 2.5. I want back further. A bit more I think is good. So we go one more. Let's try that and see. I have shaved off the... I will show you. Come on. Move. I have shaved off this edge here. Quite some bit, and 5-6 millimeters I think I have taken off this here. And I have even smoothed out this piece because it was too wide out here, so I have grind it down a bit so I can get it really long out. It should be somewhere around there, and I will put you up here again. Oh. Where we have the right shape here, like that, then we got about 2.5 centimeters out here, and I want it exactly here. I think that's the best we can get. If we have it there, we can even go out here. That's perfect. Now we have clearance to the hood here. I can move it out a bit. I think we're going to move them out just outside the hood here. That will be good. Now I will take the attachment on the inside again. Using the hot glue gun and glue this piece back on there. that will be good. And now we just wait for the hot glue to cool off a bit. And just like that we have something hot glued to the piece there. And I will remove the hot glue we don't need and fiberglass around it. I think I will remove a big piece here. The hood is covering up almost everything here. So if I take, I only need 2.5 centimeters or something under the hood, or not even that. But I think I cut away this thing. Then it will be easier to me to fit the angle pieces that I will use as attachment point here and here. And the same thing here. Cut away somewhere around here. When I cut away this, I will replace it with some angle pieces so I can attach it here and there. I think that will be great. Did cut away this piece. We did cut away. Now we have all these small pieces here, and I think we can attach them on a good way so they will reach on different sides there. That will be good. I think someone cut away some material here, so this edge here doesn't extend out as much as it do on the other side. But this is like I want it. I want this line to match, this surface should match here. So this is okay. And I think the angle is okay and it's perfect on this side. But from here to here, I want it to extend a bit more. So I need to add fiberglass here. I can see they have grind away material here. So if we look at the other side, like this, here we have an edge that extends further out, and that gives it a better look when the hood is going in against here, and you get it much smoother. And this is okay, but the lights are big. I don't know if they're built like that or if it's something wrong from when they had to crash the car sometimes, because this light doesn't fit as well as it should be and as it should do. And the same was on this side with the Morettes. It didn't fit that well, and it was angled up a bit. So something is wrong in this area. It may be something with the bumper or the attachment points here, but I don't know. We have to do the best of it. We can't adjust it, so let's work around it instead. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.